Match the following using a and the. Raghu is an honest man. Raghu is an honest. Why? Because honest takes vowel sound. Honest taking vowel sound. That's why and is used. Sharda is in a silk sari. Sari is one. When we are talking about singular countable noun, we use a. And for the first time when we are using that pop star is playing, that pop star is playing the violin. The violin. When we are using any musical instrument, use the. Opanna plays tennis. Here comes the no article. Why it is? I'll tell you end of this class. Fish sells at rupees 10 a kilo. When we are talking about singular countable noun, a kilo is means single kilo, 1 kilo. That's why a is used. You might be wondering when to use article and when not to use articles. Let's see. First of all, we will see when not to use article. Then only we will come to know when to use. When not to use articles. Let's understand. Remember this trick. M square, L, P, G and R. Yes. Let me explain it. M square means first M stand for meals. When you are talking about breakfast, lunch, supper, do not use any article. I am going to have breakfast, not I am going to have the breakfast, a breakfast. Next, metals. Metals. Women love gold, not women love a gold, the gold. Next, L for language. Language and subjects like math, science, English, science and social studies, Kannada, Hindi. Don't use any article right in front of them. Commonly, you can tell I like English, I love mathematics, I study science, not a science, the science, and English. No. Next, P stand for proper noun. Proper noun, you might have understood proper noun. For example, Ramesh is my friend. Santosh is my best friend. A Santosh, the Santosh, no, no article. Next, games. G for games. Here we have one, yeah, see, games, no article. Tennis is a game, not only tennis, any game, kabaddi, coco, then cricket, no article in front of any games. Then last comes relatives. Relatives. Before relatives, do not use brother-in-law, then sister-in-law, brother, sister, mother, father. No article before any relatives. Cousin, no article. When not to is over, then when to use article. Here only we have three articles a and the. When to use the. Just remember broad map. Broad map. Write like this first. Broad map. My dear students, if you are benefiting watching this video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next videos. Wonderful videos, unique way of teaching English. You will come to know after watching my channel. B for books, very simple. Books. Whenever you are talking about holy books, the Bible, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, use the. That's it. Then R for rivers. Rivers. The Ganga, the Narmada, the Saraswati, the Malaprabha. Yes. Then ordinal numbers. Which are the ordinals? First, second. She is the second girl. She is the first girl. He is the first boy. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These all. And adjective third degree. Adjective. Adjective third degree. We have understood in parts of speech. Yes. Adjective third degree. Tallest, biggest, thinnest, youngest. Right. Next, directions. D for directions. Go to the north. Go to the south. Sit at the right. The we have to use when we are talking about directions. Next comes musical instrument. We have a question here. Musical instrument. See there. Yes, violin. Violin. Just a minute. Yes. See here, musical instrument violin. Violin is a musical instrument. That's why the is used. Are you getting? Are you getting my point here? Right. Musical instrument. M for musical instrument. Again, remember broad map. Broad map. Big map. The next comes already mentioned thing. Here no space. Okay. A for already mentioned thing. Already mentioned means I saw a boy. You don't know which boy I'm talking about. I'm talking about the first time. I saw a boy. The boy is very handsome. Right? I'm talking about not all the boys in the world. I'm talking about the particular boy which I mentioned. I saw a boy. I saw a girl. The girl is beautiful. The girl is beautiful, not a, it is beautiful. Okay, next. Peculiar. P for peculiar. Peculiar things means only one its kind in the word. The sun, we have only one sun. The sun, sun, sun. The sun, the moon. The sun, the moon, the moon doesn't rotate. The earth moves around the sun. The moon moves. The sun moves. These are the peculiar things. Well, my dear students, I hope I have done justice to give you understand complete understanding of when to use article, when not to use articles. Very easy. And comment me in the comment box which point, which trick did you like more, whether when to use article or when not to use article. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.